Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. We had a great question. Somebody was asking how to put a download file button on their site. So we're going to do that today. It's really easy to do. I've got a folder here with an example file. I'm just using a text file, but you can use any sort of file you like. It's a good idea to zip it up into a zip file for downloads. On Windows boxes, simply right click and say send to compressed or zipped. I'm pretty sure it's the same on a Mac, and we've got a zip file there. Of course, if you're downloading a PDF, you can use the PDF as a straight upload and it'll open in the browser for them. They can download it that way, but for any sort of file, zip it up. Once you've got your file zipped up, let's go to the dashboard. We'll go to our media library and let's upload the zip file we want people to be able to download. So I'm simply going to drag this to my media library, and there it is right there. Once you have it, just click on it and it'll give you the URL of the file there. Now we're going to want this in a minute, so I'm going to leave this window open. Let's go back to our website. I'm going to enable the Visual Builder and I'm going to add a button. So let's just add a new row between these two here. I'm going to keep it simple. I'll just make mine one column. And let's get a button. Here's a button. There it is. There's the default button. I'm not going to style it. You can do all your styling in the Design tab. Change the color, background color, and hover effects. I'm going to leave mine just as it is. What I will do is I'll pop it in the middle while we're here. Okay. Now all we need to do is go down to where it says link under the content tab there. Go back to the media library, copy this URL to our clipboard, and we can paste the button link in there. And there it is right there. All we need to do now is save the page changes, and let's exit the Visual Builder. Okay, now if I click on our button, you'll notice in the bottom left there we've got my download file zip, and you can simply open it, go to it in your folder, unzip it, and you've got your download. Really easy to do. So there you go. There's how to make a download file button with the Divi theme. Really easy. This will also work with most other WordPress themes also, same process. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.